So there's this trend that has been going around actually for quite a while now. Yeah, reasons why you wouldn't want to be my friend. And I thought, let's do this. Not just Jandika points, but I just have 5 points of why you wouldn't want to be my friend. So let's get to it. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the very first episode of Bestie with your favorite bestie. My name is Hildabeth, and I hope thanks for clicking onto this video first of all, and I hope you're gonna enjoy the video. So, leo ni kuongea tu, we're just about to yap. It's a yap session. So, again, as I said, the reasons why you wouldn't want to be my friends. Mi hata yangu ni mengi. Tunaenda tu mbio ka video ka short and sweet. And please remember to subscribe and just be part of the family by comment. We watch tu, imagine we watch tu, raw spirit ikikuguza uniachie comment, that will be fantastic. But just watch. Thanks for being part of this channel. Let's get to the video. First point of why you wouldn't want to be my friend. I wrote, I'm a low maintenance friend if we are not that close, and I'm a very high maintenance friend if we are that close. What do I mean? Kama tu tunajuana tu like tuko na ka mutual base, that's okay. Mi hata very low maintenance, you can tunaweza ka years bila kuongea na tukipatana bado tutasalimiana tu. Tunaweza ka tu, I don't know, yeah, very low maintenance. So enjoy. Ukitaka something from me, call. That is why we are friends. It's meant to be beneficial. Nona lot sijawambia, I'm holding the new lip butter from Joanna K in blackberry. Rather, the mind there, it may lag for a second. Anyhow, any blackberry, and that is what I'm wearing. Woo! Tuendele. Yeah, we can go for years without talking. Nisa, we are friends for a reason. You need to be benefiting from me, and I'm benefiting from you. So, if you ever need anything, you just call. Kama niko nao ndakupatia, ka sina. That's just life. But once we are that close, once we are close, like top tier, one of my 2 top tier friends, jumu sema kwa na threshold here to just hold 2 friendships at a time. I just can't. It's easy overdo past 2, like ile close friends. Mtu kuongeleshe, like let's talk. Almost wiki si shaka tujapata hata a 2-hour call, like something like let's talk. I want to kitu kinifanyike, I want to call. Kitu kifanyike nataka kukupigia, hata kama ni the 1 minute calls in between, fine. Like me, I'm very high maintenance if we are that close. But kama tuko si lazima tuongee, si lazima. It's okay, it's fine. Number 2, I wrote I ultimately do what I want. Like mufanya kitu nataka. Deep down, I'm a very selfish human being. Mujijali. I love myself, I love my being, I love my existence, I love me. Yeah. See, I don't think about anyone else. I do be thinking, I love my family, I love my sister, I love my mom, I love my friends. I love my dad. I do love my dad. But yeah, at the core of it all, I'm very selfish. I do love myself. So, I'll do whatever I want. Like, I might come and talk to you about something, and I really do appreciate my friends' points of view. Like, nataka kusikia niambie, like, what do you think about it? Like, genuinely, tell me, like, your perspective. Tell me. But at the end of it all, I'll still do what the hell I want to do. Yeah. That's our problem. Number 3, I have an opinion. I have an opinion for everything. Like muko na opinions. I want to talk about something. Tell me your perspective. Like niambie, me I think there's a something and something. But this muko na opinions, guys. I always have opinions 24/7, but only on the things that I do want to have an opinion on. Zingine zote kaa sijisikii, hata sidhani sijui kusio topic. I don't give a fuck. I really won't give a fuck. Yeah, it's I do have opinions on everything, and I really do. Like nowadays nilirealize hata nilikuwa naambia sister yangu the other day, every time I talk to her ananisikiza, but give me something. bounce opinions. Let's bounce opinions. So me, in terms of like friendships, the ones that I choose, friendships, hey, please bounce back, tell me your opinions. Nataka kuwa na marafiki wako na opinions. Let's niambie, we don't have to agree, we don't have to see eye to eye, we don't have to, ati this is what but tell me something, give me your perspective, give me a random thought. Siku ingine tuende ulan to something, kuja to drop something, like have opinions, no shit, those you feel me? Jumapata no chalia anakwanga so annoying. Anyhow, yeah, I do be having an opinion for everything, and I'm starting to realize that it's a friendship, it's starting to become a very big boundary. Is that the word? A very big factor in who I choose to become my friend. Like saa ingine nasianga tu najiongelesha alafu I'm such a yapper, like mi naeza ongea. So if I'm telling you about something, I want to tell me what's in your head. Like niambie, what are you thinking? Ama pia kama musema hata litemoni you have nothing to say, just tell me I have nothing to say about this topic, but it can't be about every topic. Yeah, but ongea. Saa zingine sikuangishwa kama unanisikia, ama hata kama naongea kitu ujinga niambia yenyewe pia Hilda ai hapo let's have not arguments, but let's bounce off each other. Sasa kusikia ni kama naongea alafu maybe unani secretly judge, ama unafikiria naongea ujinga na usemi sema, ama I don't know, ama what, just talk. Yeah, that's the other thing about friendships. No one is a mind reader, no human being is a mind reader, so tell me exactly what's in your head, just talk. Maybe not immediately, hata mimi saa zingine kuna vitu mu take time to just think through my words and think through, is it really what, before I start sharing. But either way, talk. I want you to have an opinion. Yeah, nimeemphasize. Anywho, number 4, everything to me is trauma. Like, I know everything has a meaning. There's a reason why you're acting the way you're acting. I know for a fact it's cause of you. There's a time I know. Like, everything has to have a reason. There's always something. Kila kitu si plain black and white. Musema kwangu, kila kitu si binary. There's a yes or no. Kila kitu kwa nuance. Like, everything has trauma, and I like to talk about that. Like, mupenda hata in terms of friendship, when I tell you something and you think enyewe apara baby usiwewe uni cause your dad something, or it's cause venye you're raised something. Introspect with me, let's but yeah, everything is trauma to me. I know there's always a reason why you're doing the things you're doing. There's always a bloody reason. Hata kama zengine si reason, zengine ni choice. We can leave it at it's a choice. I like to, it's a choice. That's also an answer. Zengine ni trauma, zengine tu ni choice. Yeah. So everything always has something behind it with me. And that being said, I also like being checked. Like, check me. Usiache tu nitembeage tu dunia nikifanya vitu za ufala. Ongea bwana. And there's another point that the one thing that I don't tolerate in friendships, the one thing is malicious intent. Me, I can take you the way you are. They like, even with your bad habits, we can find a common ground as long as we are compatible, But the one thing I frown upon is malicious intent. Like, you went out of your way. You went out of your way to make sure I'm hurt. Ama you went out of your way to just make sure you don't do something. Like, si ati ni circumstantial, ama tu ati there's a reason behind it, ama it's a character issue. You just went out of your way to make sure. And okay, kuna hiyo, alafu pia kuna kunisingizia mimi that I went out of my way to make sure your life is horrible. No. Because I know that as mimi tu kama Hilda, mimi tu as my character, I as long as I call you a friend, I wouldn't go out of my way to hurt you. So hata ukinisingizia, najuanga it's something in your heart. Vitu zufanyika dunia, life just lives, So me najuanga in my head, the first reason in my head si ati nasemaje, let's say something happens. A scenario has happened. The first thing in my head won't be that bitch went out of her way to nini. No, because I'm in my head, I'm thinking malicious intent is far. Me hata I capture them. In fact, it does happen. Unaweza pata mtu ameenda tu out of their way to hurt you ama to make sure something doesn't work. I don't think I've looked past that. Tunaweza kosa ati kugombana ama kunini, but itakuwa mara ya mwisho unaniona. I just start dissociate. Naenda tu na no. No. So yeah, so I like being checked as long as I know you're checking me out of love. See, hakuna malicious intent. Hata kama saa zingine unajua rafiki yako anaweza ongea from their own lens. You only see life from your own lens. Sometimes I might tell you something and you check me from your own lens, from your own principles and from your own nini. And I think I'm at a place where I can differentiate the two. Like naelewa hauna lengo lako si mambo si mabaya. You're doing it out of something, sawa, hiyo sawa, but malicious intent, no. But I like being checked. Sipendi kwa na rafiki tu wa yes, oh Hilda, yes, sawa, uko sawa, you do what you want, no, check me again. I'll do what the fuck I want to do, but I appreciate that. Yeah. And I also think I'm that for my friends, but mu kupima, mu angalia, kuna watu muambia. But pia kasezi kuambia I don't think I consider myself your friend. We are not friends. Aya. Yeah, pia nimeongea sana hapo. Point number last. Hii video hata imefika how many minutes? Point number last. Sijui kama ita come off as me being a red flag, but just walk with me. To me, it's never a forever thing. It's never a do or die. Like when I go into any relationship, si ati naendanga ni any friendship nikifikiria ati tutamalizana ama siku moja ati itafika mahali to part ways. When you start being friends with someone, I don't know, when you start something with someone, kuna venye una hopingi maybe this will last like forever. Like ideally, like I want to just be your friend forever. Like it's just me and you against, yeah. But growing up at my mature age, at my ripe age of 25, I can confidently say it's never a forever thing with me. It's as long as it's working. And it's okay if we grow differently. Sisemi we won't be friends, but we won't be as tight. We won't be as close, and it's okay. People grow into different directions. Like mi nataka tuongee, nataka kupigia hata kama ni in 3 months. Like ukoaje, vitu zikoaje, sawa. Like you can come to me, I can come to you with whatever, but we don't have to be like we are fighting for this. It's just me and you forever. No, I can fight for that with my sister, honestly, with family and my mom and my dad. But with friends, musema, it's okay if we grow into different people, into different faces, into different, people. It's okay. We don't have to end it na animosity, kuko tu na uadui penye tu vitu zinaishanga tu kama zimeenda tu na hapana. Kila mtu anaweza transition and it's okay. So yeah, for me it's never forever thing. Me urafiki ni for as long as it's working. When it's convenient, that's okay. Yeah. And that is it. That is all I had to say. Sasa nimefungilia point ya mwisho nikafikiria niongele out of trauma. Tubacha nini niwaambie hata ka video nikafupi. So my very first best friend that I consider maybe my closest friend growing up, we were really close. Like ile tu, we were just brought up together. And our mama friends, we went to the same church, we went to the same school at some point. Actually we went to the same school. I think I transferred to class 7 or something. So the last 2 years to Pekendo we didn't spend together. Actually 1.5. So our lives were very much intertwined, yeah. We were great friends, although shule ndio hata transfer alikuwa ameambiwa venye I'm derailing her like academic wise, so she transferred, and two, like ukweli tu she prospered wherever she was alone. So good call for the teachers, but I don't think I was derailing her. Maybe yes, but not on purpose. So in high school we still linked up. We're in different high schools, but again our moms were friends, our parents were friends, and we were in the same church, so our lives were pretty much intertwined. Like at a high school we still maintained that closeness. Good. So come campus, we went to different campuses. Alafu mile campus nilienda na watu nilikuwa nao high school, like literally my closest friends from high school. Literally we were sitting around the same area, ndo tuliingia nao campus, so that became my clique of friends. Unapata? So mi nilikuwa KU, alikuwa JKUAT. So JKUAT pia she got a really good friend mwenye wakakuja kwa roommates. They were best friends at the time. So in my head, mimi kama Hilda mimi everyone was okay. Like you have your circle of friends in school, me I have my circle of friends. Like of course if something ama vitu za haraka zikifanyika kama major events, the people you're likely to talk to first ni wenye mko nao karibu. So me with my KU friends and her with her JKUAT friends, that was okay, but we still maintained phone calls. Like we'd call each other, uko aje, nini updates, blah blah blah. I'd go to her place. I don't remember her coming to KU, but I'd go to her place. I went to her place a number of times. Like tulikuwa tu there for each other nicely. But in mimi sasa, that is where introspectively I went wrong. Mimi in my head tulikuwa tu sawa. Like naturally in my head, because now we are spending so much time with other people, like so much of our lives are now forming in other ways. In my head tulikuwa tu then tungepatana kanisa ama tungepatana mahali tungeongea, but now our friendship was drifting. We're not as close. Unapata? So fast forward, alikuwa na fast forward, that one I can take accountability. I was wrong. My communication was not as good. I was not replying as much. We were not talking as much. But again, in my head, mi naona tuko sawa. It's just life, you know? But that was a big deal for her. Like now, ilikuwa inaka avoidant on my end. Like now, whatever. Yeah. So she told me calmly she will have to cut me off because I'm affecting her in some way. And she openly communicated. You see, this is why we were friends. I like people who talk. Like, tell me. So I was breaching maybe a boundary of hers, or yeah. So she said she was cutting me off, and at the time I was just like, yeah, ilinipata shock. I was shocked, but I was also kidogo impressed because this draw boundaries. Yes, communicate, you know. And I was just like, okay, but then I just like, okay, I completely understand from your end, because we had a discussion and I saw her POV, and from her end, and I looked very avoidant. I came off very, but again in my head, we could talk tukipatana. If anything, I could call her. If anything, she could call me. So mimi akukwa this close was not a priority in my head at the time. Yeah. So she cut me off, and yeah, I've since been cut off. So from then on, I think it became, nilishinanga nimearticulate to my friends after that we might be close, but imeisha ikifika mahali tuanze ku drift. It's okay. Like say unaona sai bado tulikuwa tunaongeleshana tu, like would call each other right now and maybe update ukoaje, go for a date once in a while, you know, we'd still be acquaintances, you know, without necessarily being, you know. Yeah. Sasa sijui mbona hata nimewambia story yote. Just tell me your reasons why anyone wouldn't want to be your friend. Yeah, please leave me a comment in the comment section. Otherwise, I think I'm done. That is it for my video. A very short and sweet. I edit and I post before I start thinking twice. Aya basi. Thanks for chilling out with me. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please leave a like and any comment you'd like to leave. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.